I'm Zach.
I'm Drew.
And this is
Oak Tree Dreams.
Hey guys, 2020 turkey season was a success. We got 2 birds down, going for 2 more here in May 13th, the 5th season here in Wisconsin. We actually were very fortunate this year. We got on a bunch of toms, not in the spot we thought we were going to be able to kill them where we normally do. We got permission for some of that section this year because we're like, why walk that entire distance when we could kill them over on this other side of the bluff? And well, it didn't work out that way, as you're going to see. We ended up walking an entire bluff top. It was about 2.5 miles to the one end. Did end up getting on them, and yeah, the video will show the rest of it. We did not manage to get the kill on camera just because of some issues with the toms coming in. There was and we had to lay the camera down because that was our only shot, but they ended up coming right over the hill. We could have left the camera up. Kind of disappointed in that, but we still got it. So, hope you guys like.
Alright, what's up guys? What's going on? So we're back out again tonight. It's still the 17th. I was out this morning, had a couple, I actually had 5 toms right off the roost, but obviously I couldn't get one. They flew somewhere else apparently, but
You're not even on me.
we're good.
Oh, scratch that. My wife is gonna be giving birth here any day. Her due date was the 15th, so any day now she's gonna pop. So hoping we get out tomorrow morning at least, and then our little bundle of joy comes. So see you guys out there. Hopefully we got a gobbler coming in.
What is up, guys? That camera's not even on me. Alrighty. So, today is the 19th, and yesterday we had birds off the roost, but we kinda, by the time that we actually picked birds to set up on, it was probably a little late. May or may not have been Andrew's fault, but I don't know. We'll see. So, today's another clear night. So it'll be another clear morning. This should be gobbling really good as long as we can pick some birds today to set up on without some arguments. We'll be okay. And
We both know that my toms yesterday were probably the best situation.
well, my toms had 4 of them, but anyways.
I had 3.
It's beside the point. Mine's more. One is more. Okay. But so we're gonna see what's gonna happen today, and if we have to split up, we only got a couple hours, so we're just gonna split up if there's only 2 toms. and they're by themselves. We're gonna split up and see what we can do. So stay tuned. They're still in roost, Drew. It's not even 6 o'clock. Do you see him? Right there, right at that birch tree. It's probably right behind it. Do you see him? We both can if you want to. Yeah, they're still gobblers. Yeah, we're good. Hey, keep calling. Let's smoke. Yeah. Did you get him? I think so. It wasn't zoomed in though. But Drew, Drew, will they come now if they see that coyote dead there? Let's howl ass. Let's go. Okay, we gotta go.
at this point, this is when we thought they were coming around the side of the little knoll or hill in front of us to the left. That's why we had to set the camera down. When in reality, they came right up and over where it was centered on that dead stump up there. So our decision kind of sucked, but we still got the job done.
Yeah, that's mine. Zach! Guys, it got hectic. But I tell you what, last couple hours, we got 2 gobblers down. Zach, get yours. There's mine. And there's my brother's. That was awesome. That was Just let go. He's dead.
What?
He's dead. Grab his legs and put your foot on his head. Yeah. Yo, buddy. Zach, what do you think about that, bud?
That's crazy.
We should have left the camera up.
Yeah.
See, we were sitting down in there and we thought they were, what's that, coming down through here?
Yeah.
We thought they were going to swing around.
I missed my first shot, I think.
So we had to put it down. But don't worry. We laid the smack down on 2 big old toms. That's how it's done. Show me your beard, man. He was the big one. He has little nub spurs.
That's weird.
You have little baby spurs, buddy. Little spurs, big rope. Earlier today we shot a coyote. We gotta go get him yet. Yeah, bud.
Is your gun empty?
Yeah, my gun, I'm empty. It's down there.
Did you think that I hit him or what?
I thought you missed yours.
Did you hit yours first shot?
The first
You only
shot.
shot one, right?
I shot twice. I hit him the first one. They're both toms, so. I can't believe yours doesn't have spurs.
That was a red head too.
Well, yours was the boss. There's a turkey. Hey, that's that hint from this morning.
Yeah.
It's for cool.
What? Oh, sorry. Yeah, grab your turkey. Little spurs too, or big ones? Oh, those are big spurs. You got the biggest one, I think.
Oh, he has little nubs.
Yeah? That's weird.
He's not, they're not big, but they're good.
Oh, Zach,
What?
look at that.
You hit him in the thing? Whatever. Look at that. What do you think?
That was awesome. Our very first double. Can you grab?
It's recording. Wish we had a third person to take a picture.
Well, we will at home. You know? So, guys, we got 2 toms today.
It's
we didn't.
crazy.
We didn't get it on camera though. Like I said, we were. They were coming down to the right. They gobbled right down there, and all of a sudden, last second, they changed direction and.
And we were packing up to leave actually.
Yeah, because they gobbled once. We heard them way off, and then we were like, they're leaving. So we were gonna go set up on another spot we know of. And then we got to the top of the hill over here. We'll show that in a minute. And we just get up there, and they gobbled right down below here, probably 100 yards. And they came in quick. It was a great morning, bud.
Yeah, it was.
Thanks.
Good job.
They were gobbling their heads off. We killed a coyote, and man, it was awesome.
Only one really thick beard.
Well, guys, we'll get this video out, and yeah, there's our turkey season. We might see you back in May. We might try and come back for one more tom in May. I got one more tag. My son's gonna be due here Wednesday. He was due on the 15th, but they're inducing her on Wednesday, so I won't be out for a while. And this is great. God definitely came through today, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Man, we had gobblers all over, didn't we?
Yeah.
They were over yonder and behind us, and what? We had 1, 2, or 3 way back over here. It was just awesome.
Gosh.
Good job, bud.
Good job. Well, we're going to get our coyote from this morning. Oh, let the spoon shot before I could.
Where was I sitting?
What?
I was right there, wasn't I? No. Where were you?
I was right there. Where was I? We're in the right spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were right there. 100,000% you were right there. And I was right here. This coyote just peeked its head up this morning. Just barely peeked it over the thing. My brother shot it before I could, because he's a dingus. Right there.
He was coming for an easy meal.
There he was. Go. You killed him easily. He's been laying there for 2 hours, 2.5 hours.